How to buy BIOS token. I hope this is the right name for that token. The token is under the symbol of BIOS. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. And as you can see, it's trending in the screener in the number 23. Now, as you can see, this token increased by 10,000% in the last 24 hours. And the liquidity here unlocked by 78%. It's good. It's meaning your investment in a safe place. The market cap of the token is 12 million and the volume is $98 million. So as you can see, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address is under the Solana network. Now for that, open your Phantom wallet, click console up here, and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. Now after that, this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. Now in the provider, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy BIOS or BIOS token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.